Eski bur sunuku raki, salinanuzun şık v dayanıklı medya konsolun dönüşebilir. Ural eski donanım satış noktalarından veya severmesi surplus sitelerinden saglam bur 19 ins rak bulan. Raftı temizleyin, pası temizleyin v istediğiniz yükseklikt raf seviyeleri isin delikleri yeniden asın. Gus filtresi, kablo yönetimi bandı v havalandırma parçaları, eklerek ekipmanınızı, sagak v düzenli tutun. Üst yüzeye ahşap OLED taşıyıcı veya ahşap levha eklerek endüstriyel hamligi sikek ahşaba eşleştirin. Montajı tamamladıktan sonra ev sinema sisteminizi yerleştirin. Kabloları düzenleyin v yıllar boyunca esnek bur medya konsolu kifial yaşayın. Let us look closely at the mechanical conversion of the server chassis itself. Standard 19-inch server racks measure precisely 482.6 millimeters between the mounting holes. Each rack unit, universally known as 1U, equals 44.45 millimeters of vertical space, giving us exact modular grid lines for custom shelf mounting. Standardized spacing removes guesswork, allowing pre-drilled brackets and equipment shelves to lock in securely without custom drilling. Unlike traditional woodworking, where alignment errors compound over long spans, metric server standards guarantee absolute parallelism across all structural supports, simplifying assembly while maximizing weight distribution. Cutting steel requires exact steps, so we measure 3 rack units from the heavy base plate and trim the excess vertical posts. Using an angle grinder with a metal cutting wheel, we remove 39U of unnecessary height. We then sand and smooth the cut edges thoroughly to prevent any sharp burrs from damaging internal wiring later. High-speed grinding leaves sharp microburrs along fresh cuts that easily strip plastic cable jackets or cause minor hand injuries. Running deburring files and fine abrasive pads along every edge creates smooth transitions, protecting sensitive data lines and ensuring safe handling during final interior installation. Mounting the television screen securely is where standard server standards align perfectly with home audio-visual gear. We attach a heavy-duty steel VESA 200 adapter plate directly to the rack front ears using standard cage nuts. This creates an ultra-rigid connection that supports a 55-inch OLED panel without any wobble or front tilt. Cage nuts expand inside square rail cutouts, creating a strong threaded anchor that resists high shear forces under heavy loads. Conventional drywall anchors or soft wood screws loosen under continuous leverage, but steel cage nuts lock directly onto the chassis metal, securing expensive displays permanently. The real magic of server equipment lies in the built-in cable management arms attached to the back frame. Instead of dangling wires behind your wall, server articulating arms fold and extend smoothly along internal tracks. Every power cable and HDMI lead tucks neatly into plastic channels, completely hiding wires from sight from every angle in the room. Standard media units leave cables exposed or pinched behind backboards, risking wire strain and heat buildup. Articulating server tracks maintain wide bend radiuses during movement, protecting copper cores inside cables while organizing multi-wire bundles into a sleek, invisible wire path. Let us address the modern dilemma of hidden storage that open shelf consoles usually fail to solve. Open floating shelves look minimalist on social media, but they leave nowhere to hide bulkier living room necessities. An internet router, power strip, and robot vacuum charging dock need dedicated homes that stay invisible while remaining completely accessible. Exposed power bricks and loose cords gather dust quickly while cluttering clean visual sightlines across the floor. Hiding hardware inside sealed cabinets often block wireless router signals or overheat components, making a properly ventilated, semi-enclosed rack layout the ideal balance between aesthetics and utility. Here is how the lower rack space solves this logistics problem elegantly without sacrificing style. By utilizing the bottom 2U of the modified chassis, we slide in a custom vented rack drawer lined with acoustic fabric. The robot vacuum dock sits flush underneath the base frame, while all power bricks stay completely enclosed inside the steel drawer. Stacking utilities inside sliding steel drawers keeps floor areas completely open for easy cleaning. Acoustic fabric dampens transformer hum from power supplies, while allowing radio frequency signals from network routers to pass through without signal loss or physical obstruction. Commercial TV stands that offer this level of structural steel and custom cable routing usually cost hundreds of dollars. Building this unit from a salvaged server frame costs roughly $50 for the rack, $40 for the walnut shelf, and $30 for hardware. That means saving around $120 while getting an industrial piece that lasts a lifetime. High-end retail furniture charges steep premiums for branded aesthetics while utilizing cheap particle board cores and flimsy plastic hardware. Repurposing commercial enterprise gear provides thick metal construction and modular upgrade options at a fraction of retail prices. Let us examine the thermal safety benefits of using server rack infrastructure for home electronics. Game consoles and audio amplifiers generate significant heat inside enclosed wooden cabinets, leading to thermal throttling. Steel rack shelves feature high-density perforation patterns that allow natural convection to pull cool air through the bottom continuously. Heat rises naturally, and closed wooden boxes trap hot air around internal heat sinks, forcing cooling fans to run at max speed and shortening component lifespan. Open perforated steel grids facilitate uninterrupted upward airflow, dissipating heat passive without requiring noisy external electric fans. To keep the industrial structure feeling organic, we place a solid reclaimed walnut top shelf across the upper rack face. The wood is secured from underneath using soft rubber isolation washers and stainless steel bolts inserted into existing rail holes. This prevents any metal resonance or vibration when the TV speakers play deep bass frequencies. Heavy audio transducers generate mechanical vibrations that travel through rigid frames, causing unpleasant metallic buzzing on bare steel joints. Rubber isolation washers absorb these micro-movements, decoupling the wooden top shelf from the steel frame and keeping speaker audio output clean and clear. Now observe the transformed space in midday natural light coming through sheer linen window curtains. The walnut wood grain adds warm organic texture against the soft off-white plaster wall behind the unit. The black steel uprights anchor the television floating above, creating a crisp japandi profile with zero visible cables or clutter. Direct daylight renders rich wood grain patterns clearly while highlighting the clean matte finish of the trimmed metal chassis. The contrast between raw timber and dark industrial steel grounds the living room visual space, proving functional rack equipment can elevate high-end interior design. Now look at the exact same room setting under warm 2700 Kelvin evening floor lamplight. The dark steel structure recedes into soft shadows, while the oiled walnut top glows warmly under the low lamp illumination. Because we match the undertones carefully, the space feels cozy and relaxed rather than cold and industrial. High Kelvin office lighting accentuates harsh metal edges, whereas low Kelvin residential lamps soften hard outlines, allowing black steel to blend smoothly into surrounding ambient shadows while keeping focus on the warm wood surface. Beyond pure aesthetics, this modified server unit offers flexibility that standard media furniture cannot match. As your audio setup evolves over time, you can swap shelf heights, add rack-mounted power conditioners, or install additional equipment trays in minutes. Retail entertainment centers force fixed cabinet dimensions, requiring complete furniture replacements when upgrading home theater receivers. Modular steel rack rails adapt instantly using simple hand tools, giving you an infinitely adjustable media platform designed to support changing home technology demands effortlessly for decades. By taking surplus commercial hardware and tailoring it to your living room needs, you end up with a custom media console that combines industrial durability with refined modern design. You save money, keep electronics running cool, and build a setup engineered to last. Stop settling for disposable particle board furniture when salvage hardware offers vastly superior structural performance. Start scouting local surplus racks today, grab your tools, and build a rock-solid, custom OLED display stand tailored perfectly to your own home. Kendi modular mobilianezi, kendi aliniz yaparak dayanıklılık, düzen ve zamansız tasarım üzerinde tam kontrol sahibi alan.